To start off with, brush out any knots or tangles, making sure that the hair is smooth. Now you want to section the hair into two and bring the hair forward. Take your first section and grip the rest of the hair away. Making sure your first section is smooth, you want to take around 2 inches of the hair. Using a standard size iron, start from the root. Place the iron in between the hair and bend under to create your first wave. Once you have done this, you want to go back in with the straighteners and now go the opposite way to the previous curl. Repeat this all the way down. Take each section around 2 inches wide, and again you want to start off with the first bend at the root and then bend the opposite way back. Keeping hold of the ends of your hair whilst using the back and forth movement throughout the hair. When you get to the top sections, you want to make sure that you get the root lift to get that extra body and volume. Once all of the hair is waved, you want to add either sea salt spray or hairspray to get that added texture for the beachy waved look.